Hi, it's Todd from Bainbridge Technologies, and today I'm here to talk to you about our range of Anderson plugs and connectors and how we can work those through with all of your 12-volt accessory items. So first we've got here at the moment is your Baintech Grey Anderson plug to your battery terminal cable. This is a perfect accessory for securing such things as your solar regulator straight to your battery. So next up we've got the two different types of Baintech Anderson parallel cables. I'll start with this little beauty here. The reason the heads are joined together, so that's pretty much there for all those hard to reach places. So as you can see, if you've got a back of a cab where you've got dual connections, it's actually quite nice because you can actually get it in there and you don't have to have that that different length of cabling. Where this second one gives you that flexibility to run two different accessories, but in different parts of your cab. So you might go run it from your dual battery connection through there, and you might have a fridge running on one end and your solar plugged into the other side at different parts of the back of the cab. This one gives you that ability to be more flexible with where you are and where you've got your different 12-volt connections. This little one here gives you the flexibility if it's nice and tight to reach spaces. What we've got here are two different types of Anderson to ciga sockets, or the female connectors. First up, you've got your single use, so straight from your Anderson to the female head for a ciga socket, and then you've also got your dual capacity female head of the ciga socket. Obviously these are all there to run your 12-volt accessories that have a ciga plug available. The Baintech Anderson plugs are of the highest quality, all 50 amps, and the reason we use the Anderson plugs and the Anderson connections, it's all about making it easy to use and also ensuring that when you're driving along those dusty roads or along the beach roads, they don't rattle out or disconnect. For any information that you'd like on these and other products, please visit www.baintech.com.au.